Hi friends, welcome to week 21 of school, and you have a short week this week, which is kind of nice, and then next week I will see most of you back in person, which is exciting. Last Friday we started learning about the population dilemmas that Europe was facing. Some of the things were like their aging population, how did they help those people? We looked at birth, death, migration, all those different things that impact population. Today in your e-binder, you're going to do a little bit of an analysis, and you're going to look at different population pyramids of different places in the world. So it's kind of interesting just to see like at what rate are people dying at in certain countries and at what age, and is it more male or is it female? So you're just going to look at some of these pyramids and draw some conclusions on what you see. So in our e-binder, we will be in the population dilemmas tab. This is where you did your notes last Friday. And then here is the assignment for the population pyramids. So you will open this up and create your own copy and navigate through a few of those pyramids. I put the pyramid screenshots on the assignment for you, but I recommend that you go to the actual link because it's really interesting and neat. You can actually kind of mess with the pyramids and see how they change based on like certain factors. Okay, so that's what we are doing for Monday. When you are done on Monday, you will submit that in Schoology in the Europe e-binder folder where it says submit assignments here. Tuesday, we are doing a quiz. So Tuesday, we have a map quiz for Europe countries and physical features that we've mapped long ago. So if you want to practice ahead of time, you have practice links in your e-binder. You also have a digital map that you did that you can look at to practice. You cannot Google anything. Okay, you cannot use your map, you cannot Google. So you will have to take it during your class time. I will have it open only during your class time on Tuesday. And if you don't take it, then you'll have to arrange a different time with me to get that done. Okay. Wednesday, we are transitioning a little bit to looking at the United Nations, not to be confused with the European Union. Okay. United Nations is a global thing, so not just European countries, but an organization that includes the US and China and a bunch of other countries. So we're going to do a couple of things on Wednesday. We're going to look at a video clip as a class on Google Meet. We're going to look at the specific goals of the UN. So if we go to that page in our e-binder, we're basically doing step 1, 2, and 3 on Wednesday. So we'll watch this together on Google Meet. It's very short. We'll look at the slideshow and respond to what are the main goals of the United Nations, why was it created, and then the last thing we'll do that day is look at sustainable development, and we're going to do an activity where basically the UN has created some goals to make the world a better place, and they have 17 specific goals, and I ask you to look at one of those goals and explain what the goal is and how they're going to do it and stuff like that. So that's the last step, and then you will submit that in your e-binder in Schoology not in your e-binder, in your e-binder folder in Schoology when you are done on Wednesday. And then on Thursday and Friday, no school. So that's kind of exciting. Those are teacher planning days since we're getting ready for everyone to head back that following week. A couple of reminders on your e-binder are down here. If you have questions or get stuck or anything, please let me know. Send me an email. Otherwise, I will see you at our Google Meet.